Looking for a refreshing, healthy, and flavorful dish that can brighten up any meal? Let us introduce you to the classic Greek salad, a dish that embodies the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. Known for its vibrant colors and simple ingredients, the Greek salad is a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, celebrated for its fresh and wholesome flavors. Packed with fresh vegetables like juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and tangy olives, all topped with creamy feta cheese, this dish is perfect as a side or a light main course. Whether you're preparing a quick lunch or a delicious dinner accompaniment, this salad is as easy to make as it is nutritious and satisfying. Let's dive into how you can make this delightful recipe at home, step by step, ensuring you capture the authentic taste of Greece in every bite. Here's what you'll need: 4 ripe tomatoes, chopped, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1 green bell pepper, sliced, a handful of Kalamata olives, 200 grams of feta cheese, cubed or crumbled, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the vegetables. Start by chopping the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they are evenly sized for a consistent texture. Next, slice the cucumber, red onion, and green bell pepper. Ensure the slices are thin and uniform to blend well in the salad. Combine all the vegetables in a large bowl. This will be the base of your salad, so make sure they are mixed well. 2. Add the olives and feta. Toss in a handful of Kalamata olives for that authentic Greek flavor. These olives add a briny taste that complements the fresh vegetables. Then crumble or cube the feta cheese and add it to the salad. The feta cheese adds a creamy texture and a salty flavor that balances the dish. 3. Dress the salad. Drizzle the extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar over the vegetables. The olive oil adds richness, while the vinegar adds a tangy kick. Sprinkle the dried oregano on top, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. The oregano adds an earthy flavor, and the salt and pepper enhance the overall taste. 4. Mix and serve. Gently toss the salad, making sure the dressing coats all the ingredients evenly. This ensures that every bite is flavorful and well-seasoned. Serve immediately or let it chill in the fridge for 15 minutes for the flavors to meld. Chilling the salad allows the ingredients to absorb the dressing, making it even more delicious. And there you have it, a simple, fresh, and delicious Greek salad. This vibrant dish is not only easy to make, but also packed with nutrients and flavors that will transport you straight to the Mediterranean. Perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner, a picnic, or a festive gathering, this salad is bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Try it at home and experience the taste of Greece in every bite. The combination of fresh vegetables, tangy feta, and olives is simply irresistible. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Share it with your friends and family, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.